Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta engine stalling and discusses commonly documented situations where the engine may unexpectedly shut off while idling, slowing down, or driving. Engine stalling in the Ford Fiesta has been associated with multiple model years and can vary depending on engine type, transmission configuration, mileage, and maintenance history. In several documented cases, stalling has been linked to fuel delivery interruptions, airflow irregularities, or electronic control inconsistencies. Some Fiesta variants have been associated with throttle body-related concerns, idle control behavior, or sensor communication issues that may disrupt engine operation. In certain conditions, software calibration or powertrain control module behavior could also contribute, particularly during low-speed driving or sudden deceleration. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible corrective actions may include inspecting the fuel system, checking throttle and air intake components, reviewing sensor data, and confirming that engine software updates or recalls have been addressed where applicable. Maintenance-related factors such as dirty intake components or unresolved warning indicators may also play a role in some vehicles. Across verified automotive sources, engine stalling in the Ford Fiesta is described as inconsistent rather than universal, with patterns differing between earlier and later production years. Some vehicles may experience the issue repeatedly, while others may never encounter it at all. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta engine stalling can have multiple underlying factors that vary by vehicle configuration and condition. Proper diagnosis is essential to identify the exact cause in any individual case. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.